Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You will begin by getting Excel ready. Enable the Developer tab and save the file as XLSM so macros persist. Once done, plan the exact actions you want recorded, specific cells, formatting, and input values. Click Developer Record Macro, give a descriptive name, choose a shortcut or store it in this workbook, and add a short description so you remember why. Make sure to select Relative References if you want the macro to adapt to different starting cells. You now perform the actions exactly as planned. Enter values, apply formulas, format cells, and run sorts or filters. You should move deliberately. Macros record keystrokes and clicks, so avoid extraneous selections. If you need loops or decision logic, record the base actions and refine later in the VBA editor. Once done, click Developer Stop Recording. Then immediately test the macro on a small sample area to confirm it replicates the steps. Redo if any. You finish by testing the macro on different data and locations so you know it behaves correctly. If it fails, open the Visual Basic editor, inspect the recorded code, and change hard-coded addresses to relative logic or variables. Make sure to save a backup before editing, then rerun the macro. One key troubleshooting tip: if the macro behaves unpredictably, re-record the minimal sequence using relative references. This usually resolves issues caused by accidental.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.